Students, in our last class, we discuss what are the psychological reasons to provide guidance to the students. In this class, we'll discuss sociological reasons for guidance. Why guidance is needed, we'll discuss sociological reasons. So, in social reasons, first thing is that changing conditions of work necessitate guidance. Remember, in older days, a child was supposed to take up the profession of his father and is earning his livelihood. But now, conditions change. Now, the child, it is not necessary for a child to take the same profession in which his father is working. So now they need guidance according to changing conditions of work necessitate. They must know what are the prerequisite conditions to enter in a profession, or what are job requirement of that profession, what are career opportunities in that profession. So we must provide them guidance for changing conditions. Secondly, every individual has a different ability. If we provide them guidance, we use human energy in appropriate place. So guidance is needed for proper use of human energy. As I think that a person who is very good in engineering and we give him the work in art line or another line, he will not give his 100% in that field. But when he is in engineering field, he will give his 100%. So we must know what is the ability and capacity of that person, interest and aptitude of that person, and then guide him to go in that particular area. In our conditions, in our school conditions, parents will decide what to do. Student will think, after higher education, secondary certificate, my friend has taken medical, I am going to medical. My friend has taken arts, I am going to take arts. They don't know what are their aptitudes, what is their ability. So we must provide them the guidance so that we can use human energy at an appropriate place, and when we use our human energy at an appropriate place, our country will excel in every field of life. Most of the students of our class has some leisure time, and they don't know how to spend their leisure time. They just waste it with gossiping, with chatting on internet, or scrolling on, surfing on internet, just seeing Facebook. They're playing TikTok and making TikTok and other things. We must give them guidance how to use leisure time in life, and give them examples what the students of other countries will do in their leisure time. How can they utilize this leisure time for their own professional development, for own satisfaction, for the growth of their personal economic growth, for their social growth, for their personal growth. They use this leisure time. So we must provide guidance to them what are the activities in which they engage themselves for their personality development, for their enhancement of personality. So after this, we will also discuss that today the concept of teaching education is not as earlier. When I am talking about concept, I am not going to discuss what is the concept of education, what is the changing concept of education. I just think that now there is explosion, and everywhere a lot of new careers and opportunities came in the way of the students. New type of jobs are created in the market, and we must give them guidance about those new careers, new opportunities, new type of entrepreneurs, so that they can think about those and they will succeed. So I think guidance is also needed for extension of democracy. Our students must know what is democracy, what are their responsibilities, what are their rights, so that if they know their rights, nobody can exploit in them in future life. If they are responsible, they know what is their responsibility. They will never break law. They will be ideal citizens of our country. So students, this is these are the reasons why we provide guidance, why we need guidance at different level. In this class we have discussed individual differences. We have also discussed necessity of guidance, why we need guidance, proper use of human energy, proper use of leisure time, educational changes, extension of democracy, and also industry and labor require guidance. So our industry also, for our industries also require that they need skilled persons for minimum wastage of their time, energy, and material. So for this, we must provide guidance to students to what are the requirements of industry, or in which courses you will go, so that you can get opportunity to work in particular industry. So I think these are the major reasons to provide sociological guidance to the students. In our next class we will discuss educational reasons why we need guidance. Thank you very much.